Hi, welcome to Plot 13 video number 4. In this video we'll be talking about some of the plans we have for the plot. While clearing the plot, we've been trying to think of ways to minimise wastage. Unfortunately, as much as we would like to recycle and repurpose everything, we also have to think about the safety of our small child. We need to remove as much of the rusty metal as possible. The aim is to sort this and send it to a scrap metal dealer for recycling. We want to try and minimise the amount of waste we send to landfill. We have an agreement with the local council for a skip to remove the household rubbish. This will be going to a recycling centre. We want to try and reuse as much of the wood, glass and polycarbonate sheeting as we can, and there are also other items that we will also repurpose and reuse. The treated wood that is unsuitable will have to be disposed of. The large amount of branches and tree cuttings will now become part of a hugelkultur experiment. Hugelkultur, or hill culture, is a permaculture practice. By placing the logs inside a mound or hill of soil, the logs slowly break down, providing nutrients to the plants. We will make a more detailed video about this when we build the mounds. We feel this is the best way to utilise the logs that are on the plot, and it will be a useful way to also use up future tree prunings. We want to compost as much green waste as we can, and we'll be looking at some of the other methods of compost in the future. As you can see in the video, we're slowly making good progress clearing sections. There are numerous radiators that need digging out and removing, so sometimes this is slower than we would like. The plan is to deal with all the rubbish and junk first, then target the plant life. Over the next few weeks, we should reach the point where we can use a brush cutter to clear the bulk of the weeds away. Once we have the flora under control, we can then assess the plot and start the planning phase of when, where and how we're going to divide the plot and plant things. There's a huge learning curve from this point on. We hope that by documenting each decision, we will help you with your own growing and allotment projects. We want to investigate and share some of the new and traditional methods of allotments and growing, some organic and permaculture principles, and also ways for beginners like ourselves to start with minimum funds. As we continue on this journey, we'll hope you'll join us and be inspired to try your own projects. We would love to read your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below on what we should be thinking about on the plot and what we would like to see on the channel. We will aim to release a new video every Friday, so thank you for watching, and please share, like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Also, check out the link to our Ko-fi page below, where we will be adding extra content and you can donate to support our channel. Have a great day.